Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Crypto Basics. In today's episode, we will be learning how to import your existing wallet on Zerion. Whether you have deleted your wallet or you would like to import an existing wallet on Zerion app, you can simply follow these steps. First of all, open the Zerion application on your mobile device and from the main homepage, click on Add Existing Wallet. Now, choose how you have previously backed up your wallet. You can restore your wallet from iCloud if you've chosen Backup from iCloud option previously. You can also connect a ledger in order to import your wallet. To import your wallet with seed phrases or private keys, tap on Import Wallet button at the first. Now on the next page, enter your recovery phrase that you previously backed up, or you can also enter your private key. Choose any one option and enter the information. After typing in your recovery phrase or your private key from your backup, click on Import at the bottom of the screen. Now, set up a passcode to protect your wallet. Type down a passcode with the help of the keypads and re-enter your passcode one more time to confirm. Now, your wallet will be found and will be ready to import. Select your wallet by ticking on them and then click on the Continue button. Now, wait for a couple of minutes. You will then be able to import your existing wallet with the help of your backup phrases or private key. And that's how you easily import an existing wallet on Zerion. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.